Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Let us unbox an Amazon package. So this is the package. It contains embroidery flows bobbins and there's a binder with it. I had actually got a different set of bobbins from Amazon. This was the same thing, and this set was a little cheaper. Both are 100 and it also had a binder, so I can link that also in the description. This is actually looks nice. I think I prefer the white one, but this is also fine. So this is the binder. I'll show you how to find that. And so these are the 4 colors. Looks nice. It's for change. I'll show you the other color for comparison. This is the white one. This is also good. Okay, now I think pretty straightforward. Usually we get this is very common. This is made of I think 300 GSM cardstock. This is actually plastic. I think this is more durable and sturdy, so that's why I prefer to buy this. So this is my second set from Amazon. So let us see how this works. We can remove it like this. It just has 2 pieces. One is this part and the other one is this part to hold the bobbin. So what I usually do is I keep it here like this. I'll just my camera angle like this. I keep it in this box. You can keep it anywhere. I found this to be the best sturdy option, and I find some tags like this. I cut it into pieces, and what I do is I keep this here and hold it and keep it place. It helps me. It depends on what box you're using. So this is what I do. So this is kind of sturdy here. Next, what I do, okay, this is a pink bobbin that I'm using. I'll keep it here. This whole part goes here, and I keep it here like this. So now the bobbin is here. Now let's bind the yarn. You don't need this, but it's like a fancy equipment. I like doing this. So first you hold on and you do once or twice like this, and then you just rotate it like this. Better like this. It goes like this. Let's go faster. Hook it here. Remove this one. Oops, that's a very finicky thing. Remove this. If you're done, I place it here. Place it here, and here's your bobbin threaded, and now you can keep it in the place you decide. At this point you should be labeling your flows number here, somewhere here or wherever you want, and then you can keep it here in your box. So that's it. Thanks for watching.